Hands up if you drive. We've searched far and wide for some of the best car gadgets under $50. There's something for epic engine starts and safe driving. And there are tons of great things to keep your car organized and you with your phone healthy and wealthy. I think you'll like what we found. If you're a casual driver, a consistent commuter, or an all-out car enthusiast, there is a range of gadgets available that can optimize your time on the road. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you about the coolest car gadgets under $50 you never knew you needed. But before starting the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Tailgate LED light bar. We have got a wild card option for you. And yes, this falls a bit off $50 budget about 3 times. But budget aside, who doesn't love to indulge once in a while? This red tailgate light strip and turn signal will give your truck a pop and give it a real dose of personality. It's also a great way to improve your vehicle's visibility and increase your safety and the safety of others on the road. The light bar can be connected with a 4-pin connector or hub to your existing taillights. The bar itself is mounted with double-sided adhesive tape or with screws fixed directly to the body of your truck. This is where 2 different sizes come into play, so make sure you choose the one that suits you and always check with the manufacturer. Flick finger light. Have you ever experienced another driver on the road who is so annoying or bad at driving? We found the perfect solution to vent some frustration. This battery-powered light eliminates the need to yell for a button. You can express your feelings. This gadget is attached to the glass with Velcro and adhesive strips throughout the operation and has an adhesive strip. So stick it on your dashboard and you're ready to give people a piece of your mind. Whether you're surrounded by idiots on your morning or evening commute, you can give them the dick or show them your hand. Car power inverter. We keep the power flowing with our next item. Perfect for hobbyists or professionals who need to charge larger devices on the go. This 200-watt surge car power converter definitely has V where you need it most, connecting directly to a 12-volt outlet. This handy little gadget will convert your power sources to 110V AC power, meaning you can charge larger devices in addition to AC power. And also provides USB and K-Marine ports. For charging smaller gadgets, a practical display shows your energy consumption and you can switch the output at the touch of a button. This converter is small enough to fit comfortably on most center consoles. This means you can take a bit of luxury with you the next time you plan a camping trip. Cordless tire inflator. Next, we found something really special and an item that could be a lifesaver. If you find yourself on the road with a flat tire, this portable air compressor packs a real punch. It can inflate car tires in 3 to 6 minutes. Pretty fast for hand air, compressors, light and portable air. The compressors can be easily stored in your car, and its use is simple thanks to the built-in LCD display. You can also choose the required tire pressure. Unscrew the tire valve cover. Connect the pressure hose to the tire. Click the button on the back and let the air flow freely. Works on internal. If the battery is dead, you can even use an air compressor and power it directly from the car socket. Retractable car charger. With this plug-in car charger, you can be the perfect power supplier for your passengers and get a USB micro, USB Lightning, or USB-C in the car. They all compete for recharging thanks to multiple connectors and the ability to charge multiple products at the same time. This charger has all your bases covered. Plug the charger into your car, 12V charging port, and voila! Retractable charging cables. Allow backseat passengers to easily charge their devices. Large dashboard mat. Moving from mounting a single phone to the dashboard. How about a product that allows you to store and charge of more items within the arm's reach for this extra large dashboard? Mat makes it easy to store things like phones and other devices. It works just like a phone holder with a sticky smooth layer on the base that is easy to wash off, but it's definitely useful for keeping the dashboard in place. Transparent. If you want to use this mat for a long time, it may be best to strengthen its grip. Use the included squares of extra double-sided tape. Lancaster foam holder. Finding the right foam holder can be a constant challenge. This horizontal foam holder is sleek and your choice to keep your phone front and center. Not only does it look great because it's compact and well designed, but it also supports a wide variety of different phone types and sizes. Application is easy. The bottom of the foam holder has an incredibly sticky, smooth layer, but once it sticks to the dashboard, it really doesn't go anywhere. But don't worry, it's easy to wash off. If you want to remove the mountain, the future for charging your phone and displaying information, it is obvious that while driving, this mount works great. Be sure. Not mounting it on your airbag and strapping it to your face is a surefire way to ruin anyone's day. Seat Pockets Organizer. For those who like a bit of organization in their everyday life, there are 2 car seat pockets, and the organizer turns your center console into a well-organized oasis. The organizers slide into the space between your seat and the center console, providing an easy-to-access compartment for all your important products. The anti-slip cover means the treasure stays in place on the topic of keeping your car clean. Crownful Mini Fridge. We have something for drivers on the go. This 4-liter mini fridge can be powered directly from a 12V car charger. So crack out. Open a cold soda or juice for instant refreshment on the go. The cooler can hold up to 6 cans, but it can also be used for different items. See what candy they needed to leave some treats at school for the kids on the trip. This fridge can do it. Not only does it keep things cool, you can also set the fridge to keep items warm. By removing the inner trays, you can store larger items in the fridge, and it is magnetic. The door is sturdy and stays firmly closed. It can take some time to get to 40 degrees Fahrenheit when it's full of room temperature items. Once this hand is done, a small fridge will keep everything nicely insulated. 40 caliber valve stem caps. Let's leave the driver's seat for now. What do we have here in ammo storage? Do you see any differences in these cases? There are a couple of 40 calibers in the sea of 35, but what is special about them? These real cases. Things are reconditioned like products for your car, but instead of deflating your tires in a crash, keep them pumped up and ready for action. Pretty cool, right? As with standard tire valves, installing the lids is easy. Simply screw it onto the end of the tire valve. They had a unique look to the outside of any vehicle and make a great gift to the firearm enthusiasts in your family. That's all from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.